Hello, kids. Here's another one. Here's another amazing story from the place I work. I need to stop. Anyway, here we go. So it was one Sunday morning, and yes, I work on Sundays in the morning. And it was very busy, and some smart asses decided to give me the room service phone. So basically, I was in charge of that. So I was running, literally running around the place, and then this shit rang. Obviously, why not? And when you pick up the phone, you have to be nice and shit. You go, "Hello, this is room service phone. This and this is speaking. How can I?" Yeah. That's what the person said on the phone. I'm like, "Oh, okay. Don't you ever fucking do that, okay? Just be nice with people on the phone, please." And I just let the lovely person speak. Hello, I want a huge jar. You want a huge jar for the organs? Or you want a full jar with organs? What? Okay, here's the thought. Okay, here's the possibilities that I thought at the time why they need a huge jar. A, they want a huge jar for with dirt. You know that scene, yeah. Or B, they want huge jar with pickles. Or C, they want huge jar for organs. As I said, as I mentioned earlier, I don't know. I don't have any guesses. Do you? Yeah. No, seriously. Anyway, I repeat what I heard, and the answer from the phone was this. Okay, you don't want a huge jar, then can you repeat what you want exactly? And guess what? She repeated, and she said this. I want huge jar. Oh, for God's sake. Okay, so that's what I heard, that's what I'm telling you, that's what she said, okay? Apparently, finally, this person decided to be smart and actually use the technology they had, and they decided to ask Google. And you know what Google said? This hair dryer. Yes, Google said hair dryer, not huge jars. I'm in my happy place, where I don't have to deal with people. Everything's fine. Everything's in. Anyway, the point of this the point of this video is, first of all, the only point of this video. Thank you, Google. That's the point of this video. Oh my god. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm sorry that I'm wasting your time with this shit. Bye.